This is my 1992 Toyota Hilux mini truck, and this is my Toyota 4Runner parts car. Today, I'll show you how to upgrade the stock Hilux mirrors to the cleaner, sail mount mirrors from the 4Runner and Surf models. To begin the conversion, we jump inside the donor vehicle and remove the inner mirror trim, which is held on by a single push-click fitting. After that, it's just the 3 Phillips head screws that hold the mirror in place. This 4Runner body is full of salt water and corrosion, which is the reason why I've decided to use this as a donor vehicle instead of selling it on. This is a close-up of the tab that helps keep the mirror in place from the outside while you fasten the screws on the inside. On the Hilux, we remove the bottom piece off of the mirror, revealing 3 Phillips head screws. The sail mirrors will bolt straight into place, and the inner trim will push straight back on. On the external skin of the door, you'll be left with the original mirror mounting holes, which for now I'll be washing and hitting with a cut and polish to remove that dirty residue. This was a very quick and easy installation, and will also work with mirrors purchased online that are sold to fit Toyota Surf and 4Runner models of the same year. In the next video, we'll be swapping over the Surf interior, which I decided to do after my Hilux was broken into and almost stolen in the middle of the night.